Hey everyone, I've got to speak low because the lights are dimmed and people are trying to get to sleep.
Now stuff in bed. Stuff in bed, Elizabeth.
Got somebody playing up in the ward, trying to get out of bed.
See the notes.
This is the best I can do, propping you up on my knee. So I do apologise, I've got my face right in the middle of the screen. I'm very sorry about that. My face probably looks as like one of the people I'm going to be talking about, Amberlynn. I watched a video of hers earlier and it scared me to death. The woman looks as though she's got one foot in the grave. She really does. I think her body is starting to close down. I don't think she has much further to go. She needs to get herself sorted out rapidly. Her channel, her weight loss channel, that journey of her weight loss became more lucrative when she was making a fool of herself and putting weight on, singing, of course, that she was in control and she could reverse things. It's proven not to be the case. Amberlynn, you might be making a lot of money, my love. What good is it going to do you? A flamboyant funeral, a flamboyant headstone, and the loss of your life before you're 35. I foresee that in your future. Life by Jen, master manipulator. That little girl voice fools very few people. Even your most ardent supporters must realise that you're fake. They must. Your poor mother was at fault for being your enabler, but you had the choice of what to put into your mouth, and I can only imagine the scenes there would have been had she not given you what you wanted, which is why you're in the position you're in now. You have Jean there, also your enabler, in a way. He's going to be back giving you pats on the back, saying how wonderful it all is. Losing £15 in 2 weeks, even £20 in 2 weeks at your weight is a drop in the ocean, so to speak. It's water retention, water loss. I've got water retention in my leg at the moment, probably a few pounds worth, which is why my leg is so heavy. Amy's life journey, you have never fooled me. I've always recognised from day one what you are. A manipulative, nasty, self-centred, narcissistic woman. Had children to keep your man. Your green card importee. Those children are going to grow up and have memories of a mother, a super morbidly obese woman who was unable and unwilling to mother them. You talk about your daughter, going to be your best friend, blah, blah, blah. That child at the moment doesn't need you to be a best friend. She needs you to be her mother, to wash and bathe her, comb her hair, dress her nicely, get her to preschool, discipline her, teach her. Same goes for your boy. Doesn't want his hair washed or brushed or cut. Tough. You're the parent. You should be sorting all that out. He looks like a ragamuffin. Both of your children do. The younger ones. The older ones. Older child. Your gopher. You use him, unashamedly as your servant. What sort of life is that child going to have? Has he got citizenship in the US? Have you legally adopted him? Has he taken your surname? What's the situation? You put your life out there for all to see. Why not come clean about that? You put your name on the back of your van. How embarrassed your children must be, or will be, when they realise that their mother is emblazoning the name on the truck so that everybody can just log in and see the mess that your life is, the mess that you are. Always moaning, always complaining, always somebody else's fault, always your mother's fault. Everybody has a past. We have to get over it. And what I was thinking today is, my hip was fractured in 2015. I've had major surgery on last Tuesday, hip revision surgery, which has left me with 2-foot scar down my leg, iron rod in my leg, a lot of water retention, a lot of pain. It's going to take double the amount of time to get through this, and it did. It was a normal hip surgery. And what came to my mind today when I was watching Amberlynn's video was, any of you 3 women, if you fell and broke a limb, and like me, you had to have an epidural and a general anaesthetic and a lengthy 4-hour surgery, 5-hour surgery, where would you be? Where would you be? There'd probably be a GoFundMe set up in order to buy you a casket and give you the send-off that you don't deserve. Each of you. Shame on you. Get your hands together.